Come on, kids, let's learn to add "we're in the classroom and it's gonna be fun." 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Let's count together from 1 to 10. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, you are amazing. Please hit the like button and subscribe.